Also guys, and if you're in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to retouch skin to maintain skin texture. So let's get started with the video. Also guys, and if you before you continue this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and also turn on notifications to be notified whenever I drop a new video. And please give this video a thumbs up if the video helps you. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to retouch skin to maintain skin texture. Now, I'm aware I've already done the frequency separation tutorial before, but this is like an updated tutorial. Now, I'm just going to zoom in a bit. Now, this is not sharpest image right now because it was shot in low light, but you can still see all the acne on her face, and we're going to like fix all of this in this video. So I'm just going to sharpen this a bit. My retouch academy panel first, then like reduce the opacity bit like 50, yeah, and maybe just merge it, and then yeah. So I've done that. Now next I'm going to do is just move over to my frequency separation. I'm just going to choose I'm just going to leave that. I'm just going to leave it at 6.4. That's okay, so I can like maintain more texture. So like I feel like the higher the number, the more skin texture would be retained. So next I'm going to do is move over to my mixer brush. So I've moved over to my frequency separation, over to my low frequency layer. So next I'm going to do is duplicate the low frequency layer. So if in case I make any mistakes, I can always like adjust it, or in case like I go a little bit overboard, I can always adjust the settings. So now my mixer brush remains at 5%. The more wet you have, the more like smoothing you want on the skin. My load 75, my mix 90, my flow 100. I'm just going to leave the settings here. So and then I'm just going to go over with the frequency separation right now. Alright, so I'm just going to brush over the shadows. Make sure you don't brush from the shadows to the highlight. Just brush the highlights separately and brush the shadows separately. Now my previous video, what we did in my previous frequency separation was we got rid of the acne first, but in this video I'm just going to be doing the frequency separation first, then getting rid of the acne. Now this method like helps to retain most skin texture. So I'm like doing this a bit quicker than I would usually do it from scratch. Yeah, so just increase my brush on our skin. Remember, you brush your highlights different and you brush your shadows differently. You won't want to brush your shadows into your highlights or vice versa. So next we're going to do is move over to high frequency layer, and then move over to clone stamp tool. Make sure you set on current layer. Make sure you set on normal, and the opacity and flow set at 100. Okay, so next thing you'll want to do here is clone a part of the skin, and then click on the you alternate click on the part of the skin you want to clone, and then click on the acne like that. Alternate click, then click, and then from there like Photoshop just does it for you automatically. Now using this method, I found out that like I can retain much more skin texture while using this method. It really helps in like retaining skin texture and make everything look a bit more realistic, I guess. So I'm just going to erase this a bit for tutorial purposes. So just remember, you just alternate click on the part you want to sample, and then click on the acne. make sure your brush is not set too big. Remember to use your bracket keys to like increase or decrease your brush size. You can see this is like a better method to use for editing and retouching of skin, so you can maintain texture. Okay. There's lots of foil here. Make sure the brush is not set to be. Make sure it's set to like about the size of the acne you're dealing with. So that was just a quick fix. So as you can see, I didn't do the best work here, but I'm just like, this is just an overview to show you guys how everything works. So if you're working on a picture for a portfolio or for a client, I would advise you take your time more, and then go through it, be easy with it, and you'll get like excellent results. So this is like a before and after. This before and after, before and after. As you can see right here, guys, we have retouched the skin here. So if you love this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.